area of the Semifly 32, what we call the bunk room. This can be configured in a multiple of ways, one of which is 4 single berths. This one's configured with a double berth and 2 single berths. You have a curtain here to block off as well. The digital switching we have now on the boats, everything is fairly much single touch. The boat's broken into modes, and that's operated either from an iPad or from your navigation screen, and you can control and monitor everything from water tanks, fuel tanks, through to turning lights on and off and pumps and